Il-Ministru għall-Affarijiet Barranin tar-Renju Unit David Cameron appella lill-Iżrael sabiex ma jweġġibx għall-attakk tal-Iran għax jekk jiġri hekk is-sitwazzjoni fil-Lvant Nofsani ħadd tkompli tigrava. Tal-istess fehma Franza u l-Ġermanja, anki Russja u ċ-Ċina li huma alleati tal-Iran.
We are urging them as friends to think with head as well as heart, to be smart as well as tough, and to recognise Iran suffered this defeat because the attack was a failure. The world can see what a malign influence they are. And I think that the right thing to do is not to escalate.
Is-Segretarju Ġenerali Nazzjonijiet Magħquda Antonio Guterres qal li l-Lvant Nofsani jinsab fix-xifer u appella l-sforz kollettiv sabiex is-sitwazzjoni ma tkomplix teskala.
The Middle East is on the brink. The people of the region are confronting a real danger of a devastating full-scale conflict. Now is the time to defuse and de-escalate. Now is the time for maximum restraint.
Il-Ministru għall-Affarijiet Barranin tal-Italja Antonio Tajani qal li l-pajjiżi tal-G7 għandhom jesploraw il-possibilità li jżidu sanzjonijiet kontra l-edewa tal-Iżrael fosthom l-Iran.
The attack against Israel has been a big mistake. We are totally against this attack. And this attack has been a very positive result at military level for Israel, because the air defense system destroyed a large part of drones and the rafales coming from Iran and from the other countries.
Fil-Kunsil tas-Sigurtà tan-Nazzjonijiet Magħquda saħnet il-qija bejn l-Iran u l-Iżrael.
This attack crossed every red line, and Israel reserves the legal right to retaliate. We are not a frog in boiling water. We are a nation of lions. Following such a massive and direct attack on Israel, the entire world, let alone Israel, cannot settle for inaction. We will defend our future.
These countries, especially the United States, have shielded Israel from any responsibility for the Gaza massacre, while they have denied Iran inherent right to self-defense against the Israeli armed attack on our diplomatic premises. At the same time, they shamefully justified the Israeli massacre and genocide against the defenseless Palestinian people.
Intant l-Istati Uniti sejħet bħala drammatika ż-żieda fl-għajnuna umanitarja tant li fl-aħħar sigħat f'Gaza daħlu iktar minn 100 trakk bl-ikel għall-Palestinjani.